Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto and NFTs every day. I'm your host with the most, Wendy O. Thank you guys so much for being here. I know it's Sunday. It's supposed to be the Lord's Day, and we see this massive, big, green, you know what, on Bitcoin. So I figured I would stream. I also just got home. I also like to play extreme sports, and that extreme sport is, in fact, going to Walmart and having a panic attack while I'm there, and my 6-year-old is being an absolute hot mess. Well, it wasn't a panic attack. It was more of an anxiety attack. But anyways, today was actually very good. So before we get into it, we're going to cover Bitcoin price action. We're going to cover some meme coins. You guys can give me a couple meme coins, legit coins, whatever it is you want. I'll go ahead and chart them for you. But I took a load to see The Little Mermaid, and there's a very special person that I want to thank for paying to take her to go see The Little Mermaid and giving their time, and that's myself. That's myself. But anyways, shout out to all the moms and the dads out there, all the parents, y'all are amazing. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and get straight into it, straight into it. Well, let me go ahead and pull this poll up. We have 105 concurrent viewers. Appreciate guys here. First woman. Woo, yay, women, yay. All right, leash. Oh my goodness, you guys are going to show me some crazy stuff, some crazy stuff. Let me just get this poll up here. All right, so here's the poll up here. We got a poll. Y'all got to go ahead and participate here. It is the Bitcoin pump a bull trap? And we have yes, no, and old egg Sammy, which I'm going to have an old egg sandwich this morning because that's what we do. It's still bear market stuff. To 35,000. Okay, interesting. It does feel like a Saturday, right, babes? Like it totally feels like a Saturday. My Saturday was nice. I enjoyed some delicious air fried fries with mayonnaise and ketchup and a delicious Coca-Cola. And what did Lo have? I don't know what she had. What did I make her? I don't know, but her face is on the thumbnail, but I have something covering it because she wanted to be in it too, because she put lipstick on to go see The Little Mermaid. But we had a good weekend. Weekend's not over. I might actually cook tomorrow. I might cook tomorrow. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see. But anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at the Bitcoin chart. Okay, this is the Pepe chart. It's the Pepe chart. Oof. That's why I tell you all to be careful. Look at this. This actually could be bullish continuation over here. It could be. Not bullish continuation, but this could actually be an accumulation range with Pepe to where people are buying in this range and then the thing absolutely rips and melts faces. I'm not 100% sure. We'll have to see. It did get a lot of support being listed on a lot of exchanges. So who knows? Maybe. I don't know. That's just Pepe. This is the crypto bubbles chart. This gives us an idea as to what is happening in the market. Pulse chain is down, looks like about 10. What is this? About 9%, 10%. Everything is up. Injection, engine, INJ, that's up. So congratulations to everybody that is up. And this is good. I'm excited to see the markets absolutely ripping. And it was kind of a funny pump too. Just because look at it. Look at this freaking green candle. How big of the pump is this? Let's see. Let's go ahead and get our price range. Our price range over here is 5%. We have a 5% candle today. 5% candle. Interestingly enough, we close in about 15 minutes, which is good. So we're going to get the weekly close and the daily close and all of that fun stuff. But right now, this is pretty bullish. As you can see, this is a different chart that we're using today here. But on the daily, it is looking pretty bullish. To me, I really just need to see that close above that $27,800 that area. So hold up. Let me show y'all on this chart over here so you guys can see. This was like a little bottom area that I talked about. And I said this could potentially be the local bottom at about 25.8. But again, we're in this really big consolidation range. And I talked about being able to get above 27,000. That was a really, really important area, $27,000. Why? Because look at these candle heads over here. Look at all of these candle heads. Tappity, tap, tap, tappity, tap, tap. Also too, you can, everything is up. Is it? Refrain yourself, Wendy. Refrain yourself. Don't be blushing and snorting on stream. But anyways, I just distracted myself. But anyways, you guys can trade on FAIRDESK if you're interested. They've got a lot of cool stuff over there. Again, do your own due diligence. I'm partnered with FAIRDESK. The link is down below. It's kind of similar to KuCoin, no KYC. They're giving up to $100,000 welcome bonus. So if you're interested in trading there, read the terms of services, understand your risk. But that's where I'm doing some of my trading. And they do have paper trading, basically. They do have paper trading also, so that could be Oh my God. That could be a good place to trade also. Yeah. Anyways, let's get back to what's going on with Bitcoin because I'm distracting myself. God, Lord in heaven. It's the Lord's Day. Wendy is the Lord's Day. But yeah, it does look like we're going to have some bullish continuation. This 27.4 area was really, really important. As you can see, we tippity tapped on it multiple times. We weren't able to break above it. That's why I was cautious, last week when everybody was super bullish. I was like, you need to wait. You need to be cautious. And that ended up playing out. So I'm glad some of you guys took profits. But I still think that we should take profits aggressively because all that is doing is even like this is a beautiful pump. I love it. But we're still getting in this range between approximately $27,500 and $30,000. And we ranged in there like this. We range in there for quite some time. But anyways, let's go ahead and take a look. Let's pull up a brand new, fresh, naked chart on the Bitcoin weekly. Take a look. All right, so whoopsie-daisy. All right, so our weekly over here, and we're going to be using Binance, we opened at 26.6. We had a swing wick low to 25.9, and we're probably going to close close to $28,000. We literally have 12 minutes, so I would imagine we're going to close over here, which is good. This is a very, very bullish candle, and this is actually a bullish engulfing candle from the previous week. However, when we do take a look at market cipher, MACD is still looking at it's not that, well, it doesn't look like it's super bearish, but it's flat here. So I think that we're going to have a nice uptrend that we'll see, hopefully. But again, we still really need to break above this $30,000. I want to see us clear $31,000. That would be amazing. So this does look like the generational bottom for this bear market thus far. And there are some people that are calling for $35,000, which, hey, that makes sense. But as you can see, we can draw a cute little trend line over here. Cutie. We can see that bullish. We can see that bullish breakout over there, and yay, fantastic. So anyways. So what's happened with Bitcoin? Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily chart. Some of y'all be texting me and it got me laughing right now. Absolutely got me laughing, howling at the moon. Oof. But anyways, we're probably going to get that candle close to about $28,000. Everything is bullish. Everything is up, pumping, all of the fun things. And then next week, what we can expect, let me see the 12-hour. 12-hour looks bullish, 6 hours looking good. The 4-hour is looking good too. Looks really, really good. We got a cute little bottom that was created over here back on Wednesday, May 24th, and she is up. So the next target areas for once we close above 28,000, if we continue to stay bullish, which is kind of looking like that, is going to be 29.1. In this area here, about $30,000. And this coincides with these levels that we talked about on this little chart over here, about $28,000 and close to $30,000. And then we do have 31.4, which is an important area due to, let's take a look at the daily, this right here. If we're able to break above, like to really get some momentum above $33,000, it's go time. And this does kind of coincide with what we're seeing or what we've seen in previous cycles with this beautiful summer pump. So maybe I think we're going to get a BRC20 token bullish thingamabobber happening. But we have 203 people, only 55 likes. You guys do better. Smash a like because this pushes out to more and more people. Somebody said ordi pumping. Yes. Shout out to Six. We're going to go ahead and make Six a moderator because we do what we want on this channel. And you guys should actually go follow him on Twitter. He posts a lot of really, really great content as well. And what's going on? What is this phone doing? Oh, okay. Yeah, we know it's not activated. But somebody says bullish cross on the daily. Let's go. Little Mermaid was dope. It was great. I absolutely loved it. My only gripe about Little Mermaid, I wish her hair was more red. Other than that, she did great. I thought the movie was beautiful. They had a lot of the same songs that they had. My daughter loved it. She did get a little bit scared when Ursula was being a mess. She had to come sit in my arms. It was super, super, super cute. Like, really, really great movie. It was wholesome. It wasn't like weird. It didn't do any of that type of stuff. It was just a good movie. I loved it. But anyways, let's get back to this meme coin madness. Well, let's take a look at Ethereum. I'm curious to see what Ethereum's doing. Also, smash a like. We need at least 100 likes, guys. Come on. Don't be grifting. Seesaw. Not sure we'll see under 20K again. We may not. It kind of depends. Also, too, is the Bitcoin pump a bull trap? 52% said yes. Some people do think that we are going to end up going back down. That's not what he said or she said. I don't know if I did that the correct way. But anyways, taking a look at Ethereum really quick. This is one of the things that I had talked about as scenario happening. We actually did get that breakout. So Ethereum is up as well. Ethereum looks like we're going to see some more bullish continuation. I would probably look to about 1942 to then about $2,000 for Ethereum. We are looking pretty good here with Ethereum. Everything is up. Your mom is up. But yeah, we had a beautiful breakout. Tippity tap out. Beautiful. So our bullish scenario did play out. We didn't get that retest here at about 17, but that's fine. That happens. Again, these are not meant to be drawn to scale. It's just to kind of give you scenarios. And that scenario kind of did end up playing out pretty well. We did get that swing look low down to about 1763 with Ethereum. That is the 12-hour, and this is the daily here. So Ethereum is looking good. Everything is looking good. I don't know if, can we do ordi over here? Is this, I'm very new to the BRC20 tokens. Ordi wrapped. Okay, ordi, that's BNB chain though. All right, ordinals chain. Okay, ordinals chain with Ethereum. We'll do UST. Yeah, I think we'll do that. What's going on with that? Let's see. Oh, okay. Is this? I hope this is the right one. I don't know if it's the right one or not. Is it up? Is this the right one? Is this what you guys are talking about? Or not this shouldn't be the right one. There's not a lot of volume here. If somebody's got the contract address, that would help me a lot, because a lot of these meme coins are very hard to find. I'm trying to see. This is Gecko Terminal. I wonder if it has the BRC20 stuff yet. There's so many things to chart. BitGert. What the hell? Actual. I don't even know what half this stuff is, you guys. Huh. Let me see. Let's go to CoinGecko. I know I've been off my game for a minute. Oh God. It's gonna do this. Let me check the chat. If you guys got the contract address, that helps me. No, it's not it. Even mine is up. Oh, thank you so much, Pew Pew. I appreciate you. All right, let's pull that contract address up and see if we can find it that way. We only have 99 likes. You guys stop the effing grifting, please, for the love of gosh golliness. All right, let's go ahead and pop that in there. No results found. We can't find anything at the moment. The actual hee-haw. Maybe they don't have it over here yet. Interesting. Boom, boo chain, ordi. Let me try that again. I know I need to download one of the wallets, which I'm going to go ahead and do that. Yeah, ordinals. Yeah, these were not it because there's not a whole lot of volume. Yeah. These are not it. There's not a lot of volume. I don't think that they have BRC20 tokens over here. I apologize for that, guys. Let me see if I can get, yeah, I'm a human, Dodo. All right, let's go ahead and go to CoinGecko. Let's do ordi. All right, ordi. Yeah, it's got to be this one. Ordinals Finance. Yeah, ordi, this right here. Ranked at 175. It's $10.06. Is this the correct one over here? Oh, it's on centralized crypto exchanges. Okay. BingX is there too. Okay. Yeah, this is the correct one. Let's go ahead. It says OKX. So let's see if we can find it over here. That's why we couldn't find it on the one. Ordinals dollar. Let's see if we can get it here. Sorry, guys. Yeah. So this is it. Yikes. Okay, so it's pumping because it found a local bottom at about $7.40. Holy cow, this thing dumped like crazy. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the lower time frames here. Something like this, you guys, is very, very hard to chart. I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys. Very, very hard to chart. And like if you pull up and you look at the hourly chart, it does look like we're getting a bit of a pullback here. It pumped quite a bit, and then we're hitting resistance. Resistance is close to this area here. Is this area here, because we got this box of resistance. Let me go ahead and pull that up so you guys can see a little bit better. Rectangle. All right, over here. All right, so this is what's happening with ordi. All right, we didn't quite hit this upper area of resistance. The reasons why this upper area is resistance is because you could see all these swing wick highs here. We did hit this lower area of resistance, $10.27, and we are retracing pretty fastly. So I would be a little bit cautious here. The reason why I would be cautious is it does look like we're probably going to consolidate in this box. I don't necessarily know if we're ready for another run up. I am going to go ahead and toss on MACD. I want to toss on RSI too, but I have to do the settings with it, so I might not have time. Let's go into style. Da, 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 da. Your mom is up. All right. All right. Yeah. Let me see what this looks like. It does look like we're seeing a little bit of weakness here, but I would just be cautious. I would be really, really cautious because you don't want to be the person that ends up buying the top, because look at how this chart looks when we zoom out on the 12-hour, like just massive, 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 massive green candles. Massive, massive. So it could definitely continue to run up. Again, we don't have enough data to really see what's happening with MACD or some of the indicators, but we can go ahead and put on, I have to put all of the, EMA. I have to put all of my EMAs. This is the EMA 9. Let's do another one really quickly, and then I'll fix this later. Indicators, EMA. I haven't used them. That's just because I haven't been doing these streams in a while, because I've been preoccupied with other life stuff. Can you imagine? Wendy has a personal life outside of this. Oh boy. All right. So that's the EMA 21. Once we get a cross between these two, that could be a little bit bullish, but let's go ahead and take a look at the hour. Okay. So we have the EMA 9 over the 21. This is a bullish setup over here, and we've got great support at $9.51. However, I probably wouldn't buy in on this yet, just because it does look like it's retracing. I'd probably wait to see what happens at 9:57. At 9:57. We have 259 concurrent viewers. Appreciate you guys. Hola, Brat. I'm not your brat. Thank you so much, General Patton. I appreciate it. Oh, I thought you were talking to me, Rusty Bot. No, I see Brad in there. Okay, somebody said Joe. We can take a look at Joe. It's so interesting. I kept typing his name today by accident. It's a very good friend of mine who passed away very, very long time ago. And I think he's telling me he's proud of me. For removing toxic people from my life. Why? Because I can. All right, let's see Joe. Joe. All right, that one's 3. This is, okay, we're going to go ahead and look at Joe on Wrapped Avalanche. Oh, no, this one over here. Joe Wrapped Avalanche. This is going to be, hold on one second. Joe Token, Avalanche, Trader Joe. I think that's it, right, guys? This is going to be on... Is that the actual DEX that it's on? I don't know. We'll see. All right. I hope this is the right one. If it's not, I love this. Yeah. Okay. So this is the 15-minute chart. All right. What is happening here? Let's go to the 5-year. Let's go ahead and go to, I like CoinTrader Pro better. All right. Let's go to Joe. It aggregates all the data so much better. This is, okay. This is Joe over here. I do not buy candles that look like this. I don't care if I miss out. I don't buy candles that look like this. Why don't I do that? Because I don't want to get absolutely decimated. You all do whatever you want to do. I support you. I'm proud of you. I don't buy candles that look like this. I wait for a bit of a retracement and then I buy in. But it does look a little bit bullish over here. We did actually just, you know what? On this particular case, I'd probably look at lower time frames, look for itty bitty retrace, and then I would get in and write it up. And I'd probably write it up to about 40 cents because it does look like she's going that way. We did have the confirmation. We have the bull cross that was completed over here back on May 27th yesterday. So everything is looking good. We're above 37 cents, but I'm greedy. So I would wait for just a teeny tiny bit of a pullback, which we might not get that. So I guess if you want to ape in now, hop in and cash out at 40 cents, or start making a moon bag at that area. What else? This week's been rough on Joe. Oof. Joe USDT. I've been in it since 15 cents. Nice. Rex City. Agree. Don't chase candles. Yeah. So Anthony, I want to talk about that really quick. Yeah. He passed away a long time ago from cancer. He was only 19 years old. He found out he's a drummer and he started losing grips of the drumstick. So he went to the doctor. He thought he had like a pinched nerve. They found like tumors on his spine. So yeah, and he literally found out and he died like a year later. It was really, really sad. He was an up and coming drummer too. It was like absolutely tragic. Let's talk a little bit about the chasing of the candles thing. So in a bull market, it is okay to chase the candles. And the reason why it's okay to chase the candles in a bull market is because these things continue to go up. What we're seeing right now with the market, especially with Bitcoin being super bullish, you're going to see some bullish continuation with some of these coins. So if you want to ape in and buy those green candles, I'm with it. Just understand the trade might not go the way you want it to go and you might end up getting hurt. So just be very, very cautious with that. But at the same time, I don't want y'all to miss in. miss out. One tactic that you can do that I like that does help me with a lot of this stuff is what I will do is I'll mark it by 10%. I'll take 10% of my trading stack for that initial investment or that initial crypto asset, and I will go ahead and I'll just ape in. And then what I'll do, you can be a lazy person like myself. Let's go ahead and put our little fibs. I get my fibs over here and I pull them all the way down to the bottom. And then what I do is then I'll set limits all the way down here. But in this particular case, I would probably get some more fibs and I would pull it here and I would zoom in more and it would tell me that I want to, that this would be the bottom area that I would buy. That would be the last buy that I would have. And I would set limits in this area here too, if that's what you want to do. That's one tactic you can use. I just did these really quick. I might even set it down this way over here and do more of it that way. But that's something that you can do that does help mitigate risk. But again, chasing green candles is very dangerous. If you do it, unless you know what it do it just as long as you understand the risk, because you don't want no problems that you don't want to lose money. So with that being said, let's go ahead and check the chat. Anything else you guys want? Pandulce, I ate way too much. Way too much. All right, did the candle close? Yeah, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. Really quick look at Bitcoin. Really quick. Okay, so we got the weekly close. Fantastic. We did get the swing wick high of 28.2. We closed here at 28,000, which is pretty bullish in my personal opinion. Taking a look at Bitcoin on this chart, we can see the other areas of support and resistance here. This is nice. This is pretty nice for me. It does. Hi. All right. So what we're seeing right here is that we are going to be seeing that I think we're going to continue to go up. We might have a little bit of a retest here to about 27.8. So we might do something like this for the week. Let's see what happens. We might get a little bit of a pullback here to about 27.8 and then do this, hopefully. And hopefully we're able to flip and then get to that $30,000 area with Miss B. But anyways, you guys, I'm going to get going. I just wanted to pop on here and do a quick short stream. Well, it's 20 minutes. I need to eat before 6 because got to get that body right for summer. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for joining. Sending everybody love and light. Wendy O is